Is your bedroom too small and dark? Using mirrors will open up the space. The larger the mirror, the better. Placing a mirror that can reflect a window will do wonders to making the room feel spacious. Fill a tight nook in a bedroom with a floor-length mirror. It will make your bedroom look much larger. Is your bedroom plain? Then using a decorative floor-length mirror will do wonders. Ideas that will help your bedroom look bigger and feel bigger. Use vertical space to help deal with a small space in order to make it feel bigger. Also, use vertical space for storage. Whether you have high ceilings or not, you can use vertical stripes or panels to make the illusion that a room is higher. If you do panels and stripes horizontally, it'll make the room look wider. Also, you can use headboards to make a room look bigger too. Look at ideas on Pinterest. You don't want bulky, large headboards. You want something that's light and airy in design. If you can see beneath your bed and furniture, it makes the room automatically feel and look bigger. If your room has a high ceiling, then having long legs under the bed and chairs and tables accentuates the room's height and creates a balance, especially when it's a small room. If a room has low ceilings, you want a low bed, a very low slung bed and low side tables. Think of stools and handmade furniture. That works great for low ceilings. More on mirrors. An oval or circular mirror will do wonders over a chest of drawers, and it creates symmetry. Don't forget the space between each side of your bed. You can create an alcove of mirrors there. Space saving and lighting. Install wall lights, like instead of side table lights, put lights on each side of your bed on the walls. It frees up space and it creates a great, unique, decorative look. Another consideration is dimmer switches. It instantly creates mood, charisma, or a soothing atmosphere instantly, and it's very cost effective. The other thing that I love that works for space saving is they're like pocket lights, and they go in the ceiling, and you can put them in any part of the ceiling that doesn't have a light fixture and light up that area. And you can also add the dimmer switch on those lights too. Using bold designs, whether they're wallpaper or fabrics, they will fill the space visually. So choose small, intricate designs which will create a comforting home feel. Make sure you use fabrics or designs. Experiment with scale, yet going with paired prints and designs that complement each other in terms of their color. That way, no matter what designs you pick, they will have something in common, which in turn creates a calmer, more spacious feel. Keep your color scheme light and airy. Try to avoid too many contrasts by using one color for all your surfaces. Don't make a tan ceiling and a tan wall and a tan carpet and tan furniture. It's not vitalizing and uplifting. This is where soft, light colors work best to go with light, nuanced pastel shade. Using shades like cabbage white, which is a more suitable shade than using white, with the same space creating effect, and it has a hint of blue in it, which is cooling for a room that gets a lot of sun during the day. It's not just standard mirrors that reflect to create a bigger space. Mirrored furniture can also do the trick. Now, mirrored furniture is more suitable for large spaces. And an antique finish to a mirror gives a gentle mirrored effect, yet reflects the outside world. Small bedroom layouts. Are they tough or what? It can be tricky. Consider dividing the area off with a nook bed. The rest of the floor in the central area free. It will pull forward part of the room, but that area around the pull forward nook can be created into storage space, freeing up the rest of the area. It will give it a clean, efficient look. Let's make a multi-use room feel bigger. Splitting a room by having curtains hung 3/4 or halfway across ensures that you have your work, life, and/or guest space mentally and physically calming. You can use other things besides curtains. If you look on Pinterest or online, there are all kinds of awesome dividing things you can use on the walls. Keep the decor light and airy so it doesn't feel closed in. Colors that make a small bedroom feel bigger tend to be light and reflect the light, like a wide selection of pastels and diluted primary colors. Painted and wallpaper finishes also have an effect, with those that have a soft sheen like a sateen paint. They reflect the space and enhance light from both walls and ceiling. Note that sheens will show imperfections and make sure you have plasterwork smoothed out just right. Low beds make a room feel bigger, and that can be applied to all furniture in all rooms. However, just because a room is small, it doesn't mean it has low ceilings. If the ceiling is high and the room is small, you want to balance those proportions by using taller furniture or even a taller headboard. If your room has a low ceiling, a low bed is best. If you like this information, like and subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Talk to you soon.